to this program, Flash Tool, and open it. Now choose any ROM you want, click and uncheck everything. Uncheck this. And only check that you need preloader and DSP. Preloader is this because is dead your phone. You don't have preloader. To revive preloader, just check this and go to your device, put out your battery, and in a little second pull in your battery. And now just click download, click yes, and now just click without without open your device inside. It's very simple, this trick. Just click your volume button, click your volume button, hold on and click your volume up button, and now connect your USB cable and look to your PC. Connect. Okay, that's it. Now unplug your USB on your phone and your PC. Click OK, and now it's ready. Your device is revived and it's ready to put any ROM, good ROM you want. This is the best just to unbrick your phone without opening, without without any problems. It's a very simple trick. Thank you for watching.